Buddy Bismillah Rahman Al Rahim Idol Act. And the process that is being conveyed to you through our channel is love. Many girls, boys, women and men say that we will love, but we cannot find our love. What is being done is that what is shown in front of your screen is that you have to copy 4 photos of Naqsh Mubarak and you have to fold one Naqsh and write the name of the girl and her behind it. You have to roll your mother's own and your mother's name on the second map. You have to do the same on the third map. And blessed be the girl and the girl's mother is to be used in 4 ways. Number 1 is the hand trick, number 2 is the wind trick, and the number 4 is the hockey trick. How will the 4 elements work together? Because you, my friends, do not know that the one who is my beloved is like this. It is Buddy, it is brown, 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 it is brown. So we have given you the starways from all around so that you can give it to him. We can use it according to the elements in all 4 ways. Now what we have to do is that the first image is the one that you have to use. If it is burning anywhere near the fire, you bury it or put it somewhere near the fire. It comes to number 2. The place is a fruit-bearing tree or a fruit-bearing tree. He puts it, that is, you have to fill it with water and put towers inside it. And you have to put the bottle somewhere in the corner somewhere in the house. Now it goes to the 4th number. Khash Mubarak is the kaki where the girl passes through, where the girls or the beloveds pass. And one more Naqsh you have to get photocopied which will be called as 5 Naqsh. He did the drawings as he was told. First of all, sitting at home, you have to read Durud Pak 1100 times 3 times and read 1100 times or Wadud Jal Jalala 1100 times and close your eyes and blow towards your beloved. And the 4 images which you had drawn in the air, which were in the air, which were put in the water, which were placed in the soil, and the blessed image which was placed near it, you have placed on top of it from imagination, that is, according to this thought from afar. You have to close your eyes and blow on each pattern. God willing, it is a 3-day or 11-day process. She wishes for marriage, you or someone else, she will fulfill your wish. We will not be there. It was a very good practice that has been shared with you. Let's explain so that if they don't know English, they can understand this language in Urdu too. When you open YouTube, it says CC on the top screen, that is, it is written twice. Different languages are shown, Urdu, Hindi, English, any language, in the language, the video will start playing in front of the screen. Stay informed. What is this video saying? Support us. Thank you very much for your support. We hope you will like our video. If you like the video, please like our channel, subscribe, share and press the I bell button. So that the new video reaches you. The khaki images are playing on separate screens. You have to get your separate photos copied and the ones you have to keep with you are Aap Atashi hai, Buddy hai, Aap Aay hai Kaki hai, you have this. All 4 have the same photography, all 4 wear their arms and the places where you want to bury are marked in the same way you want to bury. Very great Naqsh Mubarak, this Naqsh Mubarak will change your life. For those friends who say we have not been able to find our love for 10 to 20 years, it is an easy and effective process for them. Hafiz.